Hi everyone, today I want to discuss the exciting real estate market in India. With constant growth and economic development, the Indian property market has seen significant advancements in recent years. Infrastructure is one of the key factors driving the growth of the Indian real estate market. The country is investing heavily in infrastructure, especially in the transport and energy sectors. This infrastructure development is expected to create more housing and commercial opportunities, thereby driving the demand for property. Moreover, the increasing disposable income of Indians, coupled with low interest rates, has also contributed to the growth of the real estate market. As the cost of living increases, people are increasingly turning to property as a secure and reliable investment option. The Indian real estate market is also highly fragmented, with more than 3,000 small and large players, each offering a unique range of products. This diversity provides opportunities for buyers to find the perfect property based on their needs and preferences. However, there are also challenges that the Indian real estate market faces. The growing population, coupled with limited urban spaces, has led to increased competition for prime locations. Additionally, rising property prices have put a burden on the affordability of housing for many Indians. In conclusion, the Indian real estate market is expected to continue growing, driven by strong infrastructure development, increasing disposable income, and diverse product offerings. While there are challenges to navigate, the potential for growth in this market is immense. Keep an eye on developments and stay informed to make wise investment decisions.